Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Monochrome theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. You need to click on that and you need to update your Messenger application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Messenger and you need to select any random conversation. From here you need to click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme, scroll down and in the bottom you can find monochrome theme. So here you can see that you simply need to select again. So now you can see that monochrome theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.